Check these lights out right behind me. As you can see, they're reacting to the music, and they're also reacting to the fader when I'm bringing the fader up and down. They react to the hot cues. And that's all down to the new technology of Engine DJ lighting that is integrated into all of the Denon DJ products and also the Numark Mixstream Pro. By using this integration, we can control the Nanoleaf lights, which you can see right behind me. Why is this cool? Well, for a couple of $100, you can really level up your live streams, you can level up your DJ content and integrate the lighting that you have in your room to the music that you're playing. You can take control of the lights directly on board of any Engine DJ product. So let's take a look and just show you through some examples. I'm in the advanced engine lighting mode here. We can just play the song. You can see that they play behind me. I can override the colors. I can choose to strobe it, but it's already strobing to the music pretty well. I could white it out. Then we have loads of these auto loops here, so I can just override with all of these preferences. So red smooth pull. And when I let go, it goes back to the program. Above we have these different banks, so if I'm playing more chilled out music, I could just put it onto bank 4 chill. You'll see the lights respond to that kind of situation. Or we've got upbeat. We can override with all of these presets here. Or we can just leave it on this auto mode for bank 1, and it will cycle through different patterns. It'll then respond to when you're mixing as well, so if I were to mix the next song on. And it starts to take over and start doing it to the beat of the next song. You can see the colours alternate back and forth as I kill the fader in and out. So these Nanoleaf lights are awesome. Not only that, do they work integrated with the Engine DJ software as you've seen there. You can actually program your music using Soundswitch software, which is part of the InMusic family who make the Denon DJ products and Engine DJ. You can program your music through Soundswitch to actually create a light show. So you can load the music onto your USB drive, it adds some data to that file. So then you can actually say, and you can choose on that track when it strobes, what colors happen when, and all the different things that you can do to these lights, you can actually program it to the music. So if you had a song that prompted the lights to strobe or prompted them to turn a color, maybe it says, turn the lights out and you want the lights to drop out, you could program that into the song so it happens at that point. Are you either a DJ just getting started or a DJ looking to level up your skills? Well, did you know we've got online DJ courses and tons of tutorials to help you do just that. We cover everything from Serato to Recordbox to Denon, as well as product specific and genre specific courses, as well as skill specific such as scratching and transitions. Take out the guesswork with our step-by-step learning platform and iOS app, so you can access your content anytime, any place. Just check out wearecrossfader.co.uk. Let's get back to the video. It's really powerful. You can really take these light shows to another level, but honestly, at baseline, these Nanoleaf lights are just great out of the box. As you can see, they work plug and play with the Engine DJ software like I showed you. All you need to do is connect them to the Wi-Fi and connect your equipment to the Wi-Fi, and it's a super easy process. We can go into the lighting here, and then we have all the different options. If I go to preferences, you'll see we have Nanoleaf here, and we can just pair them and then enable that these lights work. We can also use Philips Hue as well. So if you have Philips Hue, you can use that in engine lighting or just DMX interfaces. I'm really impressed with these Nanoleaf lights. I think there's a lot of potential with adding them to your DJ sets. But if you don't own any Engine DJ software, don't worry, because the lights are great in themselves. If I were to just go in here and just disconnect Nanoleaf, so let's turn it off. And then if I just go to the Nanoleaf lights and just press a button to put it onto the sound to light mode, you'll see just how powerful they are without the integration active at all. And you can see that it's reacting to the music. We can toggle through these different settings just on the controller switch itself. So straight away you can see just how powerful this can become, especially when you're filming content for social media or you're live streaming. You can really take your environment and your setup to the next level very quickly. Now they do come at a bit of a premium. They aren't the cheapest lights out there, but as you can see, we can get these different shapes. Nanoleaf sent us 2 packs. We got the Essential pack and some booster packs. As you can see, we have triangular shapes and hexagon shapes. And in the app that comes with the Nanoleaf box, you can come up with all different configurations. They suggest different ways to lay them out, but you can come up with your own as well. And they simply click together with these little tabs that you just literally stick to the wall and clip together. Once it's all plugged in, you can then program these lights in many ways using their app. You can download loads of presets, you can change the colors manually, you can set up light shows all within their app as well. So you don't have to have the Engine DJ integration to make the most of this lighting setup, but it will elevate it slightly more because it will synchronize to the music if you have an Engine DJ product. But any other DJs out there using other software, I highly recommend. These are a premium, but they will level up your live streams and your DJ sets and your content. I've been really excited to get my hands on them. You might have seen them in a lot of our content recently online, and we've been playing around with them a lot, and we really like the different setups that we can apply very quickly by just changing the colors of those panels. We hope this has got you thinking about your lighting setup when it comes to DJ content. This is just one of the many options out there. We do have others in the studio. You might have seen we've got these battens that we've had in different mixes before, and we've also got Philips Hue lighting. Now, if you want us to cover more videos around lighting in a DJ setup, please comment below and let us know. It's something we haven't touched too much on this channel, but we're happy to dive deeper if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.